Hello, welcome to Saturday. We have some wonderful stuff here for you on Saturday. We have our warm-ups here. We have a 2-section warm-up here. As many rounds as possible in 3 minutes. You're just going to set a 3-minute timer, or if you don't want to set a 3-minute timer, you're going to go through this for about 3 rounds, okay? 5 kettlebell sumo deadlift. These could be, sumo is a wide stance. If it causes you any discomfort, then go ahead and do a regular deadlift. Use a kettlebell, backpack, water jugs, anything you get for the deadlift today. Okay. Alternating lunges, so you're going to switch feet each lunge, and then hollow rocks. If you can't do a hollow rock, you're just going to do a 10-second hollow position hold. Just count to 10 Mississippi. And then 5 Russian swings. So if you don't have Russian swings, kettlebell for Russian swings, you could use a backpack, a dumbbell, anything you have for that movement, okay? So watch the movement demos. Then you're gonna rest 1 minute and go through another 3 rounds or 3 minutes of sumo deadlift high pull. So now we're going to add a pull to the chest with this deadlift. Alternating jumping lunges. So you can stick to regular alternating lunges, but if you are ready for the next level, add some jumps in here. You're going to quickly switch your feet from that lunge position, and then 10 Russian swings. Okay, we had 5 here, now we're doing 10. Okay, so we're adding more there for the warm up. Okay, so let's get into today's workout. Okay, today's workout here, we have, again, same as the warm-up, we're going to have a 2-parter here with a rest in the middle. We're going to go 7 minutes for 10 sumo deadlift high pulls. So the warm-up gave us a good understanding of what we're going to do today in the workout and allowed us to do any adjustments. So make those adjustments here. So sumo deadlift high pull, front squats and tuck-ups. Okay, we're going to do 7 minutes there, or 7 rounds. Okay, rest 1 minute. Take a nice break, grab some water, and we're going to go into 5 minutes of backpack swings or kettlebell swings, front squats, tuck-ups. Now, if you have a kettlebell, you can use that as a goblet, okay? You're just going to hold it with both hands, or if you only have a dumbbell, 2 hands. If you want to make it a little bit more challenging for you, you can do half of those front squats with the kettlebell on one side and then switch hands, do them on the other, okay? Then we're going to rest again, do a 3-minute version. Hang muscle snatch, so we're going from the hang position, meaning we're not touching the ground, all the way overhead. Now, if you need to make this into a clean and press, if you can't do snatch a dumbbell overhead or a kettlebell, you can clean it to the shoulders and press it overhead. That's fine as well, okay? Then into front squats and then tuck-ups, okay? So there is a finisher today, so let's get into our finisher. Okay, here we are with our finisher. So we have 3 sets, 20 leg lifts, flutter kicks, left and right equals 1 rep. Then Russian twist, same thing, left, right, 1 rep. And then you're gonna rest as needed at the end of each set. Okay, if you don't need rest, just go right into the next set, keep on going. So there's lots of lower abdominal feelings down here, okay? So you're gonna feel this very low in the abs as opposed to up near the chest, okay? Russian twist will get your sides, and you're gonna be pretty sore from this one, okay? So with the Russian twist, choose a weight that's appropriate. If you don't want to use a weight, you can just use your hands, moving side to side, okay? All right, so that is today's workout for Saturday. Stay tuned for movement demos.